Hi guys, hope you all have a fantastic day. Well, today is a big day. We are gonna try to chop the front end on my Lada. So yeah, it's a really big step and I'm a little bit scared, but I'm excited. I never done this before, so it's gonna be a really fun thing to do and hopefully everything is gonna turn out really good. Let me show you what we're gonna do today. Okay, we are on the passenger side and today we are gonna try to cut this and replace inner fender. So this part we are gonna put in. There are a lot of parts here, but today we are putting this in. So yeah, we need to make room to fit, and there is a lot more parts in here. Okay, so we need to cut this, and then when we cut it, we are gonna grind everything and clean everything, but first it's gonna be a rough cut just to remove this passenger inner and outer fender, and it's really not too soon. Well, yeah, so that's why I'm replacing everything. And to get everything back in line, I fixed a level here. She's not gonna move. And I put a painter's tape, come on focus, to see where is the level. Now you can tell me that this is not level, but the whole car is on the lift. So the whole car is a little bit not in the level, but it's really hard to get it 100% level. It's easier just to do it this way. Now I know this is how it needs to be when I put a new piece in, and I fixed it pretty good, so it's gonna stay there till I work every time until I get this front side done. So yeah, it's time to get the angle grinder and cut this out just to have more space. Whew, let's go. Well, as you can see, there is no inner fender. So now I need to be careful and I need to cut where this inner fender ends. And I just need to be careful not to cut too much. I'm gonna see the new part and see where it ends on this side, I believe about here. So now I just need to cut it nice and how it's supposed to be. So yeah, now it's time to be a little bit careful, then we can try to put in a new piece. Whew, let's go. It's first time in and I need to cut a little bit more there, but it's awesome. It's much better than the old one. I think the old one is pretty bad. So yeah, I think this is a big improvement. So yeah, now we need to cut this more, clean everything, but I just wanted to see how everything looks. And yeah, I found it more rust spots. So I'm not gonna show you everything I do on the camera. It's gonna be such a long video, but yeah, I'm gonna cut that off the camera, clean everything, then I'm gonna show you how it fits. Whew, let's go. So everything is a lot better and we have a small gap here, but I need to start welding because when you push it, it's hard with one hand. When you push it, it's gonna fill it in. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. So now we need to remove it, then clean everything, paint a little bit, and then we can weld this back on. So yeah, let's go. So everything is ready, and you can ask me why I cut this hole and didn't patch it while still the inner fender is out. And I would, but I need this lift, and so I need to weld this back so that I can remove this car and put something else on it. So yeah, this is why I'm doing the inner piece. It's easier just to weld it, while this you have so much free space, but that's the reason why I cut it now while I have the space, and I'm gonna manage to weld it back even with the inner piece out. So yeah, now it's time to put it back. Hopefully everything's gonna be good. Let's go. Well guys, she is in place and she is holding with my welds. Spot welds, I didn't weld anything, this is just tack welded. So yeah, let's see. Woo! Well, she looks pretty good. Awesome. I just tack welded here and down there just to hold it. But yeah, she looks absolutely amazing. Can't believe it. So yeah, now to see if this is all lined up, I have donor cars, donor nivas. I'm going to get a front cross member to see if everything is good that I did. So yeah, I need to get that out and then we're gonna bolt it in. Let's go. Well guys, I just can't believe it. It's in, it's good. If you ever install the front cross member, it's really tricky. It's not fit. So this is just perfect. I'm afraid to say it, but I just can't believe it. Let's take a look. Well, as you can see, she fits really good. And this is the old part. She still fits, that's important. But yeah, so it fits really good. I can't believe it. This is just awesome. So yeah guys, this is it for this video, and I'm just over the moon. I'm so happy that everything is turning out relatively good. I don't want to brag too much because there is always something to go wrong. So I'm just quiet and happy that everything for now is good, and I'm just so happy that I'm finally fixing something on this Niva. In every video until now, it's just me taking it apart, and I can't believe it. It's starting to get fixed, and this is unbelievable. The reason why I did it first, because this is to me the hardest thing to do about bodywork, is to line everything properly, and to see one side done, I just need to weld it. This is just unbelievable to me. I'm really happy. So yeah guys, Thank you so much for watching. In the next video we're gonna replace this front side and we need to replace the driver side. Just see, let's see the difference. We see this old one and then we see our new one. It's just amazing. So yeah guys, in the next video we are gonna replace the other side and the front. So yeah, please like, share and subscribe, and guys, let's go. See it in the next video.